Hi, this is Scott Burdey from Trinity, and I wanted to show you a new process we built for a client. Uh, Arc Energy has many jobs, and on a job, they are requested to procure different items. Now, there's only 4 test items here, but typically on a job, they can have tens or even hundreds of items that they need to order for a given job. Now, typically, if you're in QuickBase, you're going to create a purchase order for that, for one, and then add one at a time each of those items to a purchase order for one vendor or for another vendor or anything like that. That can be very time consuming. So we go into this purchase order, I would have to go in, add purchase line items, select one of the line items, and go through that. But they asked us to create a much faster process for them. And here with this button, we can see that where it's create the purchase order line items. There's those 4 line items. We can select them all. We can select just some of them. We can also unselect them. Let's just select 2 of these and then go on to the next step in the process. Took those 2 items. We can then do a vendor quote ID for what those are on, creating those line items. Maybe it's the same for both of those. And then save that. We go back there and we've created now those 2 line items associated with this purchase order that fast. And when you have tens of them or hundreds of them, you can do that a whole lot faster too by selecting all of them, and they'll all be on this purchase order with that information. So just wanted to show you that. That's just one of the custom interfaces we've designed for clients to make them more productive. Hope that helps. Give us a call if you need anything like that. Again, this is Scott Burdey from Trinity.